In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that. Now you need to get this free app from Flarto developer, DevCheck device and system info, and when it's ready, open it. Finally, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!